moving, but you have to move. And then clutch in and do that. So, yeah, if you don't move, what's the point of straightening up?
Well done on that reverse parallel park. That's going to be here a few while. But there is one thing I noticed, just to refresh the driving instructor's manual.
Yep.
What I always remembered is when you have someone behind you
Yep.
and you're doing a reverse parallel park, you're supposed to wait until they completed it, then you can go.
No. Like if it's safe to go past.
Yeah. What I was always told about 1995 is my old driving instructor mentioned you wait until they completed the reverse parallel park and you can go straight off.
Yeah.
I had someone beeping behind me, an instructor.
Yeah. So basically, you're allowed to go past when safe to do so.
Yes. Well, I always remember they always waited until they actually finished it.
Yeah.
And stick your hazard lights on.
Yeah, because the problem with that is all it does is cause a traffic jam.
Yes.
Like if the person in front is freaking out because you're waiting behind them, they're going to wait, you're going to wait, then everyone else can't. No one can go past you until you actually go.
That's right. Well,
So
usually I had someone beeping behind
yeah.
me.
So all you need to do is, as long as it's safe to go around, so if no one's coming towards, just indicate right and just go around, even if you have to go on the other side of the road.
Yes, I always remember what my driving instructor always said, wait until it's all finished.
Yeah.
Finished.
Yeah.
Then you can go.
Yeah. No,
There's always people beeping behind me.
Yeah. So don't do that. That's bad.
And the other thing not to do is do illegal U-turns of traffic lights.
Yeah, absolutely.
You see them do that when you got a U-turn.
Yeah.
You can do it.
Yeah, absolutely.
And also, another thing is too, if you're ever towing a trailer for you,
Yep.
is you can't take off, and you got people beeping behind you with a 285 kilo trailer behind you. Around about you've got that distance.
Yep.
Yep, it happens. It's happened with me behind that white one and the blue one.
Yeah.
Interesting, isn't it?
Yeah.
All right.
No worries, have a good day.
Yeah, same to you. And keep it up. Keep up the good work. The other thing is too, what I always remember is just when you got the green light in your favour, check left and right, because they run red lights.
Absolutely.
Oh, yes. I've seen that happen. Brother nearly had an accident years ago. He was in the passenger.
It sure does. People always run red lights.
That's right.
No worries.